A few hours makes. That is a look into downtown Fort Worth on this evening, and we had heavy rains here earlier, and I mean quite the downpour, and a little lightning we saw a little bit earlier. We've got our first alert weather team coverage with meteorologist Jeff Ray and Dennis Brown. Let's begin with Dennis. We had those strong first round of storms. The question is here, not only just in the Metroplex, but throughout North Texas, what we may see here in the later hours.
Yeah, we still have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for parts of the area until at least 11 o'clock. So we still have about 45 minutes to go, I should say, until that is allowed to expire. But we also still have a cold front to move through the area, and that can keep that threat for at least a few showers around, even for part of the day tomorrow. Now, looking at first alert radar, we have no active warnings now. Most of those are east of our viewing area, but we are tracking a couple areas, especially this one here in parts of Dallas County, that we're seeing still that wet weather. Likely, yeah, could we see some localized flooding in spots? Sure, but the threat for severe weather pretty low with this as we look at it on first alert radar. We just got some heavy rain around downtown, even towards southern parts of Dallas County, toward Lancaster, and you'll see Wilmer and near Hutchins. These are some spots here that have been dealing with rain in a couple punches here, 1-2 punch here, but we will continue a lot of seeing this rain moving to the south and east, and we have been seeing more of those showers and storms south of us, pushing away from our viewing area, especially for areas there in Navarro County toward Corsicana. Corsicana, you're going to be dealing with some heavy rain, thunder, and lightning very soon. Not seeing a lot of hail out of this, and then most of the wet weather. Look at Athens, still dealing with some showers in parts of Van Zandt County. Even you'll see Henderson County here with heavy rain and thunderstorms. So as we go through the next few hours, we're going to have a trough to move through. And that means we're going to start seeing, well, that threat for severe weather to go down a bit. That's great news as we're heading off to bed. Let me show you what we're going to be seeing here when we look at our forecast. We still have the severe thunderstorm watch, again, until 11 o'clock. That means conditions are still favorable for severe weather to develop. But as we're looking at some of the radar trends, not quite seeing that right now. We have this trough here that's pushing it ahead of the front. It's going to push a lot of this wet weather farther to the south and kind of tone things down with the severe weather threat over the next couple of hours or so. This is toward 2:15 in the morning. There might still be some rain around and some thunder and lightning. As we head through tomorrow, though, we're going to start actually seeing the front pass by, and that means there's going to be at least an opportunity that we could see a shower or two, even a thunderstorm. You'll see the hourly forecast taking you through the overnight period, temperatures in the mid-70s. But, Jeff, I tell you what, quite a day with thunder and lightning, quite a day with our temperatures as well. But that time lapse, you got to show us this.
Yeah, so this is from Dallas downtown looking off to the west. And what you're going to see is several rounds of rain. There's the first round that fell before the day was up. There's the sun going down. And then there's another line of thunderstorms that were coming through just at the time. Then another one since then. But the high today was officially 101. The old record set back in 1907 of 99. So second day in a row, record highs. This is the 55th time, by the way, we've had a 100-degree day. That's fourth on the list. Most 100-degree days ever in September, by the way, now that we had 101 today. And now we hopefully wave goodbye to 100-degree days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're talking about temperatures in the 80s tomorrow, then in the low 90s on Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, that rain chance that Dennis was just showing you, that's probably in the first 4 or 5 hours of the day. The afternoon looks to be dry. And as we've seen all this activity, if you're wondering where all that heaviest rain fell, Dallas County down into Ellis, and then everything on the other side of 30 from Kaufman County, just huge rain has fallen off to our east. And we do expect a little bit more rain tonight, not only the Metroplex and north with the front, also in the morning tomorrow, but probably the biggest rain will be down there in Anderson County and parts of Henderson County. I hope you get some rain today, much needed rain. It's a 20% chance in the morning, then we just dry out. We're talking about the return of hot sunny days. Temperatures are going to be into the 90s for daytime highs and overnight lows in the 70s. These are above normal temperatures for this time of year. We should be in the mid-80s, but it will be warm as we head into the state fair. We are talking about temperatures closer to the mid-90s, not records highs, but close, and very warm days over the entire weekend. But I will tell you, Steve, at least for the state fair, it'll be a dry start to the fair.
As you said, some much needed rain, and thank goodness no real indication of heavy flash flooding here in the metro area that hurt folks. Okay, Jeff, Dennis, both, thank you so much.